How to remove non-friend from Messenger. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 2 ways to remove a non-friend or contacts from your Facebook Messenger. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Messenger app. Press and hold the person you want to remove. You will not get the option to directly remove the person, but you can archive them. When you archive a chat, it disappears from your inbox until you chat with that person again. To unarchive a chat, tap on your profile. Tap on Archive Chats. Press and hold the chat and tap on Unarchive. If you don't want to archive, you can restrict them. By restricting them, you will not receive notifications when they message you, nor will your phone will ring when they call you. Your conversation with them will not appear in your chat list. Messenger will not notify them that you have restricted them. They won't know when you are online or whether you have read their messages. You also won't be able to see when they are online. If you are about to enter a group chat with someone you have restricted, you will receive a notification. To unrestrict, tap on your profile. Scroll down, tap on Privacy. Tap on Restricted Accounts. Tap on the person you want to unrestrict and tap on Unrestrict. So this is how you can remove non-friends from Messenger.